It's Brian from Mr. Ding a Dent in Kenosha, Wisconsin, working on a monster dent in a Honda Accord door. So we're going to take a tape measure and we're going to measure how big this actually is. It's 23 inches, about 21 inches high. And as you can see, it's crushed in here. There is no chipping of the paint, no flaking of the paint. The paint is intact all throughout this damage. So all you're seeing here is something that can be, I think that's dirt or tar or whatever that is, but we're gonna get that wet sanded off and polished out. And there's some slight scratching here from the initial impact, but we're gonna wet sand that. We'll get that all polished up. I'm going to remove the door with the help of a door dolly, and then I'm going to put the door on a hood stand. All right, so I just cleaned up this door a little bit here. You can see some creases. There's about 3 of them that run along throughout the door where the impact occurred. So we're gonna get those out. Have the door on a door dolly so I can remove it by myself. And before I took the door off, I tried to get out the bulk of the damage. And as you can see, the damage looks a lot better. Now it's a little bit more manageable to work with. All right, so now we're gonna take the door off the door dolly and put it on this hood stand and work on it from there. Okay, I have this Honda Accord done. That big monster dent that was in the door is now gone. So the reason I did this video is I'm trying to educate people in my area that there are options other than a body shop, as long as the paint is not flaking off. Usually slight to moderate scratching can be wet sanded and buffed out. So if you have damage on your vehicle that was as large as this is, or a lot smaller, it does not matter. Give Paintless Dent Repair a try first before going to a body shop. There was no paint, no Bondo, no Carfax report. It was done in a little over a day. So the next time you have damage that is large, small, medium size, let me check it out first